So how are leading businesses meeting their cybersecurity requirements in the OT and IoT space? So I'll take you through a few customer use cases, right? Firstly, in the medical IoT space, what we have done is we have installed our solutions in the medical IoT or the healthcare segments in UAE. And what it's doing for the customer is helping them build an asset registry and a registry, and helping them build and this solution is deployed completely on-prem. So even the privacy of the data is managed using the Sectrio suite. And we have both passive ways and smart probing, which allows to create a complete asset registry with attribute information captured and also identity, context, and risk. And the solution itself is protocol independent. Irrespective of whether legacy protocols are being used or OEM specific protocols are being used, we have built adapters which which has helped the customers in covering all the assets from OT to IoT to IT as well, and provided them a complete registry of what are the assets connected and what are the risks existing on those assets.